Nomenclature of alcohols is relatively straightforward because it treats alcohols as derivatives of alkanes in which one hydrogen is replaced by OH group. Thus, alkanes lose the ANE suffix in their name and gain an ANOL suffix in the name of alcohol. So alcohols are really called alkanols. The rules for naming compounds are relatively straightforward. The first one is find the longest chain with the OH group attached to it. After that, the chain should be numbered from the side closer to the OH group. And finally, the substituents are attached. To look at this in an example, this compound would be numbered starting at the OH end, and this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the compound will be named as 2,4,4-trimethyl 1-pentanol. In cyclic systems, in those systems where we have halogens, such as this one, the OH group takes priority. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and this compound will be named as trans-4-bromo cyclohexanol. Note that there is no need to specify this is one cyclohexanol because the OH group takes priority and automatically gets assigned some number 1. If an alcohol has an OH, it has a CC double or triple bond, it still takes priority. So this molecule would still be numbered from the OH side and will be called E2-pentene 1-ol. And so alcohol obviously takes priority over double and triple bonds and halogens, but it's not the highest priority group. So the rough priority order would be acid, beat esters, which beat aldehydes, followed by ketones, alcohols, amines, alkenes, as we seen last time, alkynes, and followed by alkenes, ethers, and halogens. Okay? Now, in some cases, when we have a group of high priority, we treat alcohol function as a substituent. This would be an example when we have a ketone and an alcohol. This compound will be called 4-hydroxy, and this is how we call OH group when it is substituent, cyclohexanone. So OH group as a substituent is hydroxy. This compound would be one of the many hydroxy acids, and this will be specifically 2-hydroxy propanoic acid, etc. Very often alcohols use still their common names, so and they're simply named as alkyl alcohol. So methyl alcohol will be synonymous with methanol. Ethyl alcohol will be synonymous with CH3, CH2OH. Methyl and ethyl alcohol have even more common names. Methyl alcohol is called wood alcohol, and ethyl alcohol is called grain alcohol because of their sources. If we have compounds which have multiple OH groups, we name them as diols and triols. This compound would be cis-1,2 cyclopentane diol. This compound would be trans-1,3 cyclobutane diol. Where something like this would be a triol. And to be perfectly specific, this would be 2,4,6 heptane triol, and so forth. Compounds like these are named as phenols, but as I said, we will not talk about them too much because we'll talk about them in 33, 32. They're specific both in their properties and in terms of naming because of their attachment to the benzene.